Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out a custom keyboard cable that I got commissioned by VoxelMods for my QK65 build. Now this keyboard cable was sent out to me by VoxelMods for my honest opinions on his service and product, and that's exactly what I'll be doing today. So his service offers a bunch of different keyboard cables and you have a wide variety of options. And when I mean a wide variety of options, I mean there's over 20,000 different customization options that you can choose from. Now obviously with all these customizations options comes a higher price than most of those keyboard cable customizations that you can find online like CableMod. VoxelMod's cables start at a price of $115 for the coiled cabled version and I believe $95 for a straight cable. Now this is all because, well, you are perfecting your cable, you're choosing exactly what you want, and you're getting super high quality parts, so of course that comes with a higher price. Now inside the box you get the cable and it is detached, it's covered in bubble wrap, super nice and very well protected. And then also inside the box you get an envelope. Maybe that was just for me, but it also said what number I was and it just said thank you, so that was really nice of them to do so. I wanted a keyboard cable that matches the keycap set SA Jedi. So when I hit him up in DMs, we went through a bunch of different green color options and this is what we ended up with. So his cables use a different connector than your typical aviator connector, and it is called Nada Limo coiled cable connector. Now I hope I pronounced that correctly, but it's more of a premium connector and it makes it towards where it's very easy to remove tension in the cable if it is standing upright or something. So it's honestly very cool to see this. I never even knew this existed. He did link the video to me, so if I had any tension in my cable, it would be easily removable. So if you did buy this keyboard cable and yours does have tension, I'll be leaving the link in the description below for you to see that video where he goes over how to remove the tension in that cable. It's very simple. I even did it just to try it out, even though I didn't need to. But yeah, let's get into how the cable actually is quality wise. So honestly, this is probably the most premium and nice keyboard cable I've ever laid my hands and eyes on. From the stitching to the USB-C shrink wrap and everything like that, it just feels so premium and nice. Now, I'm not just saying that because, well, he sent it to me. That's actually what you're getting. And I think of this as an art form and I really think he nailed it. Because dang, does this keyboard cable look super pretty. It just blends in with the whole keyboard setup that I have and it just looks amazing while doing so. The Tech Flex has nothing wrong with it, the connector is great, and then just the actual straight cable itself is great as well. And like I said, everything here is customizable. The length of the coil, the width of the coil, the length of the straight wire, everything, the color of the USB-C, and I can go on and on telling you all the things that you can customize with this keyboard cables. But he already has a website that tells you everything that you need to know, so of course that'll be in the description below. All I wanted to say is thank you very much to VoxelMods for sending this out to me. I'm very happy with his work and this keyboard cable is absolutely perfect and I have zero complaints with it. Let me know what you guys think about this keyboard cable in the comments down below and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.